The Corsair RM850 power supply stands out as a top-notch choice for anyone assembling a high-performance PC build. Its 850 watts of power output ensures robust performance, capable of handling even the most demanding components with ease. What sets it apart is its fully modular design, allowing users to connect only the necessary cables, resulting in a cleaner and more organized build. One of the standout features of the RM850 is its triple EPS 12V connectors, ensuring full compatibility with modern graphics cards and motherboards. This ensures that you won't run into any compatibility issues, even with the most power-hungry components. When it comes to noise levels, the RM850 impresses yet again. Equipped with a 140mm rifle bearing fan with a specially calculated fan curve, it keeps fan noise to a minimum, even under full load. Plus, with its 0 RPM fan mode, the PSU operates near silently at low to medium loads, making it perfect for those who prioritize a quiet computing experience. Durability is also a highlight of the RM850, thanks to its industrial-grade, 105° C-rated capacitors. These capacitors not only ensure solid electrical performance but also enhance the reliability of the power supply, giving users peace of mind knowing that their components are well-protected. In conclusion, the Corsair RM850 power supply ticks all the boxes for what you want in a PSU for your desktop PC build. With its ample power output, modular design, low noise operation, and robust build quality, it's a standout choice for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Whether you're gaming, content creation, or tackling heavy workloads, the RM850 has got you covered. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.